Well, you are now well aware about the user timesheet. Now let's move further and have a look at the project timesheets in our AlianHub. This timesheet will help you to monitor and track the work records spent on the projects. So let's go with me.
To view the project timesheet, first of all go to the timesheet and click on Project Timesheet. It shows the work time in the project with the details like this. Now to select the time period during which you need to view the timesheet by going to the calendar. For example, let's select the time frame from 1st September to 30th September and then click on Apply. You can also filter by users, teams and projects. To filter by users, search the user. Let's say Heath. Now here you can view the hours worked by him in the projects. You may also filter your search by team to see what projects each team is working on. Let's say UI/UX team. Here you can see the detailed view of the projects the team is working on. Similarly, filter by projects to see the hours worked on the project. Let's apply a filter for the project AlianHub Design and Development. Here you can see the log hours by users working on the project with respect to date. You can apply multiple filters to get the detailed view of the log hours by users in this project. So, in this way, you can simply use the project timesheet in this AlianHub.
Well, I hope this video will help you to understand the importance of the project timesheet for user as well as for the company. If you have any concern or queries, then feel free to reach out to us via below links. Thank you.